In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Steam wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to top up your balance so you can quickly grab games, DLC, and in-game items without re-entering payment details every time. Start by signing into Steam, either in the desktop app or a web browser. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the options we'll use are the same. First, click your profile. You'll find your profile name or avatar at the top right of Steam. Clicking it opens a small menu that gives you quick access to personal settings and purchase information. Next, click Account Details. This takes you to your account hub, where you can see your current Steam wallet balance, purchase history, and payment options. It's the central place for managing how you pay on Steam. On this page, click Add Funds to your Steam wallet. You'll land on a screen that shows preset amounts in your local currency. Steam usually displays common top-up options and may show minimum and maximum limits based on your region. Choose the amount you want to add, keeping in mind that wallet funds are non-refundable in most cases and tied to your account's currency. Now, click Add Funds. This moves you into the checkout flow. If you're prompted to confirm the amount, make sure it's correct before continuing. A quick tip here. If you're planning a big purchase, adding just what you needed can help you keep a clear budget. Then select the payment method. Steam supports a variety of options depending on your country and currency. Choose what's most convenient and approved for online purchases. For example, you might pick PayPal or a Visa card. Availability can vary by region, and some methods may involve small verification steps or temporary holds. If you're using a card, ensure it's enabled for international or online transactions if required by your bank. Next, enter the billing information. Make sure the name and address match what your payment provider has on file to avoid declines. Double-check the card number or PayPal details and confirm you're on a secure connection before proceeding. Finally, click Continue. Steam will process the payment, and once approved, your updated wallet balance should appear automatically on your account. It can take a moment for some providers, so don't worry if it doesn't refresh instantly. If a payment doesn't go through, check your available funds, card limits, and regional restrictions, then try again or pick another method. That's all there is to it. Your Steam wallet is now topped up and ready for your next purchase.